Hello guys, welcome to the Reverence channel. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and of course I'm supposed to show you guys the trade that we took using this exact strategy, but this strategy was sent to us by one of our members and he said this strategy is very effective, and with this strategy out of your 10 trades you will be able to catch 9 to 8 out of the 10 trades that you take. You will be able to catch 9 to 8 profit out of that 10 trades. So that is why we are not showing you guys the trade we took using this exact strategy. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how the strategy works, the settings for the strategy, and yeah, let's dive into the video. So the first thing we are going to do is just to add our indicator up. Okay, that is the first settings we are going to be adding up, and after we add that, then we move into how the strategy works. Hey traders, today's video is sponsored by SNS Broker, your instant and most reliable broker to start trading. And this broker is very reliable and you can start trading any type of instruments including forex, indices, crypto, energies, and all type of instruments you can see in this forex market. And this broker you can start trading it with just $1. So if you want to get started, the link is going to be in the description video, so you can check it out and get started with this broker. So the first thing you have to do, just click on this icon you are seeing at the top. So after clicking on this icon, then you are going to direct to where you are going to add your indicator up. Okay, so the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the Ichimoku. Okay, so the Ichimoku, how do we add this up? We click on this F icon we are seeing right here. So when you click on the F icon, then this is the parameters. Now the application is 15, the duration is 5, the span B is 52. Now we only need the up Kumu and down Kumu. Okay, so the remaining sort it as a background color, then click on this save right at the top. Now that's the first indicator we are going to be adding for the strategy. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is the stochastic oscillator. And how do we add this up? We click on this F icon again. We search for stochastic oscillator and there's the parameters. Now we don't need the parameters. Okay, what we need here is the levels. Okay, that is what we need here. And how do we set this up? We click on this levels right here, and for the levels we need the 15 and the 85 levels, of course using color of your choice. Then go back and click on save right at the top. So that is the second indicator we are going to be adding for the strategy. And the last indicator but not the least is the Ichimoku again. So how do we add this up? We click on this F icon here on our indicator window one. We set for Ichimoku and these the parameters. Now the kitchen is 6, the kitchen is 3, the Bambi is 52, and the applied price field. Okay, make sure you mark this up. It's very important. Make sure you mark it. And for the levels, we only need the kitchen and we only need up Kumo and down Kumo. Okay, so after set it up, click on save. Okay, so just make sure you use the same color you use on your indicator window one. Use it on your main chart as well. So that is very important as well. Okay, so looking at this trade right here, how do we take a trade using this exact strategy? Now to take a trade using this strategy is very simple. Okay, so this is the step you are going to go through when you are trading with this strategy. Here on this strategy, we are taking trades on the let's say blue line, on the blue color. Okay, that's where you are going to be taking your trades, on the blue color. Now if you are taking a buy trade on crash, you are going to be trading with the blue color, and if you are trading on boom, you are going to be trading with the yellow color. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now how do you not take a trade here on crash? Okay, so remember we're only trading this color right here. This is the color we are going to be trading with. Now so how do we take a trade? Now I'm looking for a clean trade right here, so let me go back to price to look for clean trade. Okay, so I can use this recent trade as an example for you guys. Now this is a trade right here on crash. Now how do you take a trade with this strategy? Remember we are trading with this color. So how do you take a trade? The first thing we are to wait for is the Ichimoku to come and touch the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. It has to come straight to the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. That is very important. Okay, so when the Ichimoku comes straight to the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator, then the next thing we wait for is to look into our main chart. Now what do you want to see on main chart? You want to see a candle. Okay, so this is where I have to zoom so you guys can see it more clearly. Now you have to wait for a candle to move inside the Ichimoku. Okay, to move inside the Ichimoku colors. This is the candle that was responsible for it. After this candle move inside the Ichimoku colors, we wait for another 2 candles. This is the first one and the second one. So this is the candle that we are going to wait for. After you wait for this candle, then your entry will be at this candle right here. So that is the candle you are going to wait for. Now, if you are taking a profit, we are taking a profit from this strategy right here. Now, remember, you always want to take a profit when you see that the candle almost move outside the Ichimoku colors. When the candle always move outside the Ichimoku colors, so I'm expecting you should close your position before you see the spike right here. And if you miss, then you are going to also win your trades. As simple as that. So let me look for another opportunities for you guys, so you guys will understand what I'm saying. Now, when you first see your confirmation on your indicator window 1, which is you are waiting for the Ichimoku to come straight to 15 levels. After you see this, you always want to see a candle closing inside. This is very, very important. This is what you need to know when trading with the strategy. You always want to see a candle close inside the Ichimoku color. Okay, when you close inside of it, wait for another 2 candles. This is very, very important. Wait for another 2 candles. 2 candles all you need to wait for. After that 2 candle, which is this candle, and this candle, after you wait for it, you enter your trade at this candle right here. So when you enter a trade with that candle, you always want to take your profit when you see that a candle almost closed outside the Ichimoku colors. I'm expecting you to close the position right at this area or at this area. Don't wait for the candle to close outside of it. Make sure you close your position before the candle close outside of the Ichimoku. Very simple and very straightforward. Let's go to okay, let's use this one as an example. Now, this is a trade here on both indices. Now, how do you take a trade? The first thing you want to do, just wait for the volume to come straight to the 85 levels. Very simple. Wait for the volume to come straight to the 85 levels. When it comes straight to the 85 levels, then you look into your main chart. You always want to take a trade when you see that the, let me zoom. So when you see that a candle close inside the Ichimoku, when candle close inside the Ichimoku, you wait for the first and the second candle and you enter a trade from this candle right here. So very simple and very straightforward. And you will close the position when you see that a candle close outside or almost close outside the Ichimoku. It's very simple and very straightforward. Or you can just wait for when the volume is changing from this yellow to blue, then you close your position. Very simple and very straightforward strategy. Okay, so that's what you need to do when you are trading a trade with this strategy. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Like, turn on post notification and time posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.